Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for a Paletteful Packs unboxing. This is for April, and I just got it a few days ago, but I didn't feel like filming, and here I am. And yeah, I don't know what's in this box. This time I don't have any weird stuff on it from the mail, so that's good. And I cut it open with scissors, so this would be easier. So let's see. What's in here? Bam! Green. Alright. What's this first thing? Pens. I kind of want it paint, but you know what? Oh, this is a lot. Oh, they're really pretty though. Stabilo 15 pen 68. Premium fiber tip pen in brilliant colors. Okay, well that's kind of fair. Someone Tiramisu gave me, I believe, this red color of this type. I have a different Stabilo set of like pens and markers, but I don't have these, so I like colors. So this will be actually pretty fun, even though I did want paint. Next box, paint, next box, paint. All right. So there's some pens in here. They said that the card is digital, so I will be looking at the card in a second after I pull out everything. Ooh, gold. I don't have any like gold pens. I have this same pen in white, Uniball Signo Broad. It's like a white gel pen, but this one is like metallic gold. I'm going to take the sticker off because it's ugly, but the rest is very pretty. That looks nice. Okay, there's something else in here. There's a paintbrush in here. Are these water soluble? Why is there a paintbrush in here? Maybe it is paint. We're gonna find out. It looks a little, I think there's something on it. I wish it had a protector around it, but that's okay. It's a Princeton Select flat shader in 6. Here, I thought there would be paper. I was like, oh, it's just like just paper, and it's weird because it's like just this white piece on the front. It's like shiny. I don't know if you can like do stuff on that or not. I don't know what that. There's like a mark on it. All right, so I pulled up the card without looking at it. I clicked it to open in the email and then just left the page. So let's go read what is in the box. All right. I don't have it here, so unfortunately I can't like read it to you, but I mean, you can't read it for yourself. I can read it to you. Anyways, the Petite Paletteful Pack, April 2021, Stabilo pen 68 markers. Okay, a set of 15. It was this fiber tip pen that gained Stabilo its reputation for unbeatable German premium quality since 1966. This product will really surprise you with its high performance, 24-hour cap off time, water-based, odorless ink, high brilliance, and luminosity. With their sturdy bullet tips and brilliant intense colors, these fiber tip pens are perfect for layout, detail, and sketching. They also will not dissolve the ink of permanent markers. And the retail price is $24, which is basically like the price of the box. And then they also give us Seth Cole Bristol Vellum Finish. This paper is 2-ply artist drawing board with a smooth finish. The surface is designed for pen, pencil, and markers. And this is like $6, $5.99. I like the feel of it because it's like very smooth. I like it. Uniball Gel Impact Pen Gold. And this Gel Impact pen features a rollerball tip and smooth rubber grip that provides superior comfort and control. The pen has a sleek design with a metallic sheen and produce thick and vibrant lines. The Uniball Super Ink protects against water and fading. Use this pen on its own or to provide gold highlights over your marker sketches. Value of $3.59. I'm pretty excited for this pen. It's going to be real. Okay, Princeton Artiste Select Brush. This high-quality, short-handled brush is wonderful at holding water and is made to last. It will be a great addition to your brush collection as they go above and beyond many other brushes on the market. $7.99 retail. Boop, boop, boop. Alright. And then on the back it says, thanks to the water-based ink, you can create impressive and magical watercolor effects with a brush and a little water. So that's cool. You can, you know, make a drawing and then put water over it. Or you can put some of the pen on a slick surface, you know, like a ceramic palette or something. And then use the brush and some water. I might do that. That sounds fun. Yeah, these are lots of pretty colors. I wish they gave them to me in rainbow order. They're like just slightly like out of it because of this weird peach colors right there. But yeah, I'm excited for these, even though it's not exactly paint. I guess you can kind of use them a little bit like paint. So we're gonna try that at some point, hopefully. And I will see you guys later. Bye. Thanks for joining me on my opening of Paletteful packs. And thanks especially to my patrons, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, and Jill. You guys are the best. Thanks so much. Really appreciate your support. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.